You don't get hurt?
Mateo, move up the light.
Hey, you don't get hurt? You don't get hurt? You don't get hurt? You don't get hurt?
What are you doing?
Come, Julie.
Give here.
Hey, wait. Don't let it fly. Don't let it fly away. Let me see him do it.
My baby! My baby!
Hey, let me go put him back. Let me go put him back. Right here. Right here. He's bleeding? Why are you? Why are you bleeding? Why are you bleeding? Yung malapaya. He made a bleed. Kaleta, you herida.
Oh my God.
Anduri. Herida. Who's bleeding? I'm bleeding.
He's bleeding.
Kante.
He's a vampire!
Come take it. Hey.
I got it.
Fudge.
He's bleeding, man. Call 911.
The nigga bleeding the shit.
Dude, you sure that's not freaking in there? Oh my gosh.
Damn, what the fuck is this?
What the shit out of you?
No! We see him shooting! What the?
Man, I can't believe it.
Oh my God!
So many kids in here.
Oh
So
my
many
God!
kids in here. I can't believe it. So many kids in
What
here.
you guys did to me?
Put him back.
Here.
What you guys did?
Guys, just put them back.
I don't know how to.
David, come up and put them back.